What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, back at another video, man. Today, you read the title, we're gonna be doing a review and on feet over the COMME Converse collaboration with the red heart and the overall black and white theme to it. You already know I got a couple pair of them already. If you have not checked out the reviews and on feet over them, just click on the channel, catch up on some of the older CDG reviews and on feet. If you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe to the channel, man. We're gonna go to 20K moving there very soon. I need you guys' support and we get there very fast. Hit the thumbs up on the video. You're gonna go for every video is 100 likes. It's very easy. If you're watching the video right now, hit that thumbs up. And also follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will be in the description box below. As always, go give me a follow over there. I just posted a picture of me when I was in Verona, Italy. Very dope experience. And yeah, that wrap up the little intro, man. Let's get right into this review and on feet over the CDG and Converse collaboration. Let's get it. All right, check them out right here, man. You have the CDG with the red heart. This is a pair that I wanted to get at first, but you seen the other two that I caught before these. This is because I don't know, those are like a more exclusive colorway, I feel like, and I feel like if I didn't get them then, I wasn't gonna ever get them. And I was asking the dude that work up there that I always talk to, Luca, shouts out to you, bro. I was like, man, do you think I should get these now, or should I go ahead and hop on the multi-heart ones right now before they sell out over here in Germany? He's like, man, go ahead and get the different colors, because you know you're gonna be mad if you took an L, and they've been selling very fast. So go ahead and cop these two and then come back and get these eventually, because these restock more than the other pair. So like, all right, I'm going ahead and do that, man. So shouts out to Luca for assisting me with the cops on the CDG collaborations and all the different colorways, man. So I appreciate you, bro, and all the information you're giving me. And this is probably my favorite. I still have not busted them out yet because I wanted to wait to do review and on feet. I have a lot of fits I can throw with these, man. And I also want to add, you know what I'm saying, different types of CDG shirts and stuff like that to the collection as well. I have not copped them yet, but as soon as I go back down there to museum, I'm going to cop at least 2 shirts and a couple of pairs of shorts throughout the museum store. It has some dope collections like the shorts and stuff like that from different brands. So I'm like, man, I got to get them. But enough of that. Here you have it right here, all black upper. You already know it's a basic colorway. It's the most basic one I have in the collection. And you have all black with the white stitching all around the shoe. You already know I'm gonna hit y'all with that B-roll, man, in the video. And you have the Converse All-Star right here, the regular logo, but on the other side of the Converse you get that big red heart looking at you, man. That CDG heart, very fuego, man. I really like it. This right here just throws something different to the shoe, and it gives you like a different taste, different vibe with the Converse, man. You already know Converse is classic. They've been rocking them since the early 1900s, man, and now they doing a collaboration with Garcon, however you pronounce it, and made this shoe more vibrant, made it more dope, you know what I'm saying? And they also threw the off-white midsole. Like I said, I'm hit you with the B-roll because it's kind of bright right now, but they hit you with the off-white midsole, and it's like a sail colorway, I would say. But on the back, they hit you with an all-white lining down the back of the shoe, man. Check it out. You already know you got the 2 holes right here. Like you have on all your Converse, and then on the toe cap, you have the off-white little toe cap. Outsole, you have the all brown. So I think all outsoles for Converse is brown. Y'all let me know in the comments below if I'm tripping, but all Converse that I had, they brown. Maybe if it's like a different collab or different colorway, then they might throw a different outsole on the bottom, but all mines have the brown bottoms with the Converse right there with the star and your shoe size right there, man. Very basic outsole, man. All right, so now we did the review and everything. Let me give y'all some tips real quick. Go down to half a size. This is the shoe I want to, you know what I'm saying, test and gauge where I should get them. My other 2 Garcons are a size 8, and this one right here is a size 8.5, and I'm not through these on feet yet. Me throwing them on in the store, they kind of felt a little bit like you had a little more room in them, and I didn't know if I liked that or if I didn't like it. With my 700 Yeezys, I went up half size, and it was a little bit, you know what I'm saying, gave me a little extra space, and I liked it. So I tried it on the Converse, and hopefully I like it. But me, I'm gonna give you a tip. Go down a whole size in your sneaker size to get you a pair of Converse, man. That's just my tip to you. You take it, you leave it, however you want to do it. But yeah, I appreciate everybody that tuned into the review and on feet over the CDG Converse, man. I hope you learned a little something or two. Maybe you want to cop it, maybe you want to pass on them, but I'm pretty sure you tuned to the video, you're like, man, should I go ahead and get these CDGs? And if you watch somebody's dope reviewing on feet, you might go get them, man. So hopefully I influenced you in the right way or the bad way. You take it, let me know in the comment section below. Whichever one you do want to take, make sure you stay around for the on feet. Follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World, link will be in the description box below. Like the video to go for every video, 100 likes as always. Comment, let me know if you want to cop or drop the CDG Converse. We about to jump right to his own feet. And all of them, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.